Amazon Basics Pilates Ring Workouts Exercise Fitness Training. Best Pilates Ring. For toning and strengthening of muscles, we recommend the Amazon Basics Pilates Ring. Pilates resistance is the main reason for equipment use. This Pilates ring is excellent at creating resistance. It is also versatile and allows users to perform a wide variety of exercises. With this, you can straighten many areas of the body such as the arms, back, chest, and core. Now you may be thinking, I can get those benefits from any Pilates ring. Why this one? Well, what makes this Pilates ring stand out is the specifications. This ring has non-slip side handles with this. It is comfortable to hold onto the rings as you perform your exercises. The handles also provide stability, especially when the exercises require the ring to be on the floor. The ring is 14 inches, which is the perfect size for doing a variety of workouts comfortably. With this equipment, you can expect to use it several times as it is of good quality. Pros: great for resistance training, built for comfort, appropriate size. Cons: none that stick.